Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce for business. We'll cover everything from developing a winning recipe to scaling production and getting your product to market. This guide will help you create a high-quality, consistent sauce that customers will love, ensuring your venture is both flavorful and profitable. We'll focus on practical steps to turn your passion into a successful enterprise, providing a full guide for your entrepreneurial journey. Creating a standout BBQ sauce begins with a well-balanced recipe. Ketchup is often the foundation, offering a smooth texture and rich tomato notes. For sweetness and depth, brown sugar and molasses are key, providing that classic BBQ flavor. Vinegar, especially apple cider, adds a vital tangy element and helps with preservation. Don't forget your spices like paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of cayenne for a unique, savory, and slightly spicy kick that will make your sauce memorable. When making BBQ sauce for business, consistency is paramount. Begin by sautéing aromatics like minced onion and garlic to establish a robust flavor foundation. Then, combine all your ingredients in a large pot and bring it to a simmer, cooking for at least 20 minutes. Remember to stir frequently to prevent sticking and ensure all flavors meld perfectly. You can adjust the sauce's thickness by simmering it longer or thinning it with a bit of water or vinegar. Proper packaging and storage are crucial for your BBQ sauce business. For homemade sauces, store them in sterile, airtight glass jars where they can last up to 2 weeks refrigerated. For extended shelf life, consider water bath canning, which allows for storage at room temperature for up to 1 year. Remember to design eye-catching labels and obtain UPC codes for retail. Promote your delicious sauce at local events, farmers markets, and through various online platforms to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.